Preparations have all been completed as the people of Vuda get ready to accord the final rites to former President and Tuivunda Ratu Josefa Iloilo tomorrow. And there's a rather unique feature to the state funeral. This will be the first time their chief will be laid in a tomb and not buried, as Ranbir Singh reports.
Truckloads of food, root crops, livestock, mats and other items are being brought to Vuda as delegations from around the country present their rengu-rengu to the elders of the chiefly village. Ratu Tevita Mumaindono, the spokesman of the late Tuivunda, Ratu Josefa Iloilo, says the people of Vuda have completed preparations ahead of tomorrow's state funeral. The casket of Ratu Iloilo rests at Vunisei or his chiefly bure. The bete or the warriors of Vuda soak in the hot sun as they stand guard outside the chiefly bure. Military officers, along with the women from Tevuni, look after Ratu Iloilo's coffin inside the bure. The final touch-up to the resting place of the late former President Ratu Josefa Iloilo is being carried out by the youths of Visizei village. This is the place where the coffin of the paramount chief will be handed over by the RFMF to the people of Vuda before the final rites is accorded. The young men who have been identified to carry the coffin of the late former president were today doing their rehearsals. The women folk were also practicing their sitting arrangement. Thousands of mourners are expected to attend the state funeral. Tomorrow's funeral ceremony will also be unique for the people of Vuda.
This will be the first Vuda who will not be buried in the soil, but he'll be laid in his tomb. So I think, and I thank the government for doing that.
Those who have been assigned to cater for guests visiting the village have been working overtime. Ranbir Singh, Fiji One News.